Hello students, welcome to Shourav Sir classes. This is Himadri Datta. So in today's lecture, we'll be solving question number 2 from Msqe PEB 2018 question paper. So the question number 2 goes like this. There are two individuals X and Y have to share rupees 100. The share of X and Y are denoted by small x and small y respectively. X and y, which is small x and small xy, small x and small y must be greater than equals to 0, and the summation of small x plus some y must be equals to 100. So their utility function is given by this, and their social welfare function is given by w equals to ux uy equals to minimum ux uy. So here what we have to do is we'll first write down the things which are given, that is utility of this is given by this, utility of y xy given by this, and w equals to this. So these are the information which we have. Now we'll put the value of ux and uy from here. So the value of ux is x plus 1 by 4y. So we will put this value here, so it will become w ux, so it is w ux comma uy, as you can see from here, is equals to minimum of, now instead of ux we can write this value, which is x plus 1 by 4y, and instead of uy we can write this value, which is y plus 1 by 2x. So this value. Now we have got the equation to be like this, that is minimum of x plus 1 by 4y comma y plus half x. This is the social welfare function which is given, that the social welfare maximization allocation we have to find. Now from here what we have to do is we'll solve this sum for, so this is the social welfare. The social welfare utility function is given by, you know this, so in social welfare utility function this must be equals to this. So first what we'll do is we'll just simply equate this with this. So if we equate this, we'll get the value to be x plus 1 by 4y. As you can see here, we can write x plus 1 by 4y equals to y plus half x. So we can write x plus 1 by 4y equals to y plus half x. Now if you take the x this side and if you take the y on the right hand side, it will become x minus half x equals to y minus 1 by 4y, which is nothing but x equals to 3 by 2 y. So if it comes this side, this y, so it becomes the value of this becomes 3y by y. So we have found the value of x to be, equals to 3 by 2y. So we have found the value of x to be equals to 3 by 2y. So now we'll simply put it in the equation we had initially. If you look at into the question, it was given x plus y is equals to 100. Now if you put the value of x here, you will get the value to be 3 by 2 y plus y equals to 100. So it will become 3 by 2y plus y equals to 100. Now this is nothing but 5y by 2 equals to 100. Now if 2 and 100 gets multiplied, so you will get the value to be 5y equals to 200. So the value of y will get it to be equals to 40. So we have found the value of y to be equals to 40. Now if you put this value of y here, so we'll get the value of x to be x plus y equals to 100. So if you put the value of y here, and if you bring the y on the right hand side, it will become 100 minus 40, so 60. So the value of x we have found to be 60, the value of y we have found to be 40. So we would rather say, we would say the social welfare maximizing allocation is 60, 40. So the social welfare maximizing allocation is 60, 40. Now if you go to the question, in the question there are 4 options. One is A is 44, 56, second is B 48, 52, C is 50, 50 and D is 60, 40. So the right answer is option number D for question number 2 from Msqe PEB 2018 question paper. So in today's video we talked about Msqe PEB 2018 question number 2. So the right answer was option D. So in the subsequent videos we'll solve other questions from Msqe PEB 2018. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076. It is 9836793076. My name is Himadri Datta, or you can also go to our website, which is www.saurabhsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get study material for Msqe entrance exam preparation. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply go to our website, or you can also WhatsApp me on this number. So have a nice day ahead. All the best for your exam.